The scoring machine, Gani Bulag, Hiyas Lagoy, Gini na ball, Mr. Pabiday, Paso Real, the scoring machine, perimeter, Trabiling violation, Panilag, the scoring machine, dahil pasay ng gitna, Toledo naman, yes! Nice points for Mr. Toledo. Grabe Mr. Barokoy. What na katalian siyang score. Panilag, controlling the ball, looking for Stevie. Pass to Mr. Pabiday, guarding for Pipi. Veterano, rebound for Mr. Foul. Veterano. Bilgar. You. Panilag, looking for Stevie, guarding for Panilag. Panilag versus Panilag. Give the ball for Lagoy. Rainbow Country. Short. Rebound for the big man, Salazar. Holding now. Looking for Smith. Cover lanes for the ball. Pass of Panilag. Rian. Rainbow Country. Babang Butas. Rebound for the big man, Andre Labrador. Pass to Papa. Exactly 4:55. Pass to the big man. PNP. Sa gitna. Wala. Rebound for Mr. Salazar.